Welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is information transmission. In this video, we will 1. Discuss the meaning of information transmission. 2. Highlight ancient means of information transmission. And 3. Identify modern method of transmitting the information. What is information transmission? Information transmission is the process of sending processed data from one person or place to another in a meaningful form through a communication medium. Information transmission is exchanging information in any form, that is, voice, data, text, and images over a medium like air, cable, water, using a natural or artificial equipment or tools. Human beings have been transmitting information since ancient times. Information becomes relevant to the productive world if it leaves the source to the users. For information to reach the users, there are channels or methods of transmitting the information. The two methods of transmitting information include 1. Ancient method of information transmission, and 2. Modern methods of information transmission. The ancient methods of transmitting information in the olden days include 1. Oral information. This is an ancient method of transmitting information verbally between individuals or two parties. Number 2. Drums. These are commonly used and beaten at intervals by town criers who usually move around the villages in rural areas to attract villagers' attention. Number 3. Fire lightning. This is used to indicate the presence of someone at a particular spot. Number 4. Town crying. This means using a person to pass information from the village head or clan head to the people. Number 5. Whistling. Blowing of whistle could be used to draw people's attention or pass information across in some places. Number 6. Drawing diagrams. This involves sketching images and pasting them on walls or on the ground to transmit information. Example, maps and so many others. Number 7. Representation. In the olden days, farmers would leave their farm produce by the roadside unattended and place a certain number of stones beside them to represent the cost of each item. Number 8. Metal gong. This is a hollow metal beaten with a stick to make announcement to community members. The modern methods of information transmission usually use electronic communication channels. Below are some of the popularly known methods. Number 1. Prints. This is the process of producing text and images on paper to send information from one place to another. Number 2. Telephone. This is an instrument designed for the simultaneous transmission and reception of the human voice. Number 3. Telex. Telex network is a station-to-station switched network of teleprinters similar to a telephone network, using telegraph-grade connecting circuits for two-way text-based messages. Number 4. Radio. This is the technology of signaling and communicating music, news, and other types of programs from a single broadcast station to multitude of individuals using radio waves. Number 5. Television. This is a dynamic means of transmitting moving images and sound from a source to a receiver through electric or electromagnetic signals. Number 6. Fax. This is a telephonic transmission of scanned printed materials, usually to a telephone number connected to a printer or other input devices. 7. Satellite. This is a natural or manufactured object that orbits around another. The artificial satellites have a dish that transmits information into space, making it possible for communication relay, weather forecasting, navigation, and broadcasting. Number 8. Internet. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet protocol suite to communicate between networks and devices. Number 9. GSM. The global system of mobile communication is an improved telephoning method without telephone cables. We've come to the end of this lesson. Attempt these questions to evaluate yourself. Number 1. Explain information transmission and its types. Number 2. Highlight 5 ancient and modern methods of transmitting information. Thank you for learning about information transmission with me. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye!